Can it help you tackle those stubborn health? It reduces the risk of wound infection, relieves arthritis pain. Ever wondered how a simple oil can solve common health issues? Today we're diving into the world of castor oil, a natural remedy that's been trusted for centuries. From ancient civilizations to modern-day health enthusiasts, this versatile oil has been a go-to solution for an array of health concerns. But what makes it so effective? And how can it help you tackle those stubborn health issues that just won't go away? Stay tuned to discover the amazing health benefits of castor oil. Scene script. Castor oil extracted from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant offers a multitude of health benefits. Let's delve into these benefits, each of which underscores the value of this versatile oil. First and foremost, castor oil is known for its effectiveness as a powerful laxative. By stimulating the small intestine, it provides relief from constipation, making it a natural and efficient solution for digestive issues. Next, castor oil has been found to promote wound healing, thanks to its antimicrobial properties. It creates a moist environment that fosters healing and prevents sores from drying out. Furthermore, it reduces the risk of wound infection, speeding up the overall healing process. When it comes to skincare, castor oil plays a significant role in reducing acne. Its anti-inflammatory properties help to reduce swelling and inflammation of the skin, making it an effective natural remedy for acne and other inflammatory skin conditions. In addition to these benefits, regular use of castor oil can boost immune function. It supports the production of lymphocytes, the disease-fighting cells in your immune system, thereby strengthening your body's defenses against harmful microbes and toxins. The fifth benefit of castor oil lies in its ability to promote hair growth. Rich in ricinoleic acid and omega-6 fatty acids, it improves blood circulation to the scalp, strengthening the hair roots and promoting healthy hair growth. It's no wonder that castor oil has been a trusted solution for hair health for centuries. Castor oil also relieves arthritis pain. Its anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties can help ease discomfort and reduce inflammation in the joints, providing a natural alternative to over-the-counter pain relievers. Lastly, castor oil packs, when applied to the skin, can improve lymphatic flow, helping to detoxify the body and enhance overall health. These packs are a popular holistic remedy used in many traditional healing practices. With all these benefits, it's clear why castor oil has been a staple in traditional medicine. So, we've learned about the various health benefits of castor oil. It's not just a simple oil, but a versatile remedy that can aid in relieving constipation, healing wounds, and treating acne. It's a natural booster for your immune function, promotes hair growth, and eases arthritis pain. It even improves lymphatic flow. All these benefits make it a wonderful addition to your health regimen. Remember, natural remedies like castor oil can be a powerful tool in maintaining good health. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and information.